Guys, we're here in Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand. Hey, Harikap. Where is it? Sila? Sila? Nasa kalsada tayo eh.
Hindi ko napansin yun.
Uy, oh, amazing. Cap. Mga kalingap, palayo na po sila kalingap rin sa amin. Palayo, labas pala. Ayun sila yun. Excuse me.
Oh, what's talking on the foot?
Let's go. Oi! Come cap. Uy! Galing ka bro! Grabe! Nasa Thailand!
Pinoy din kayo?
Thailand po kami! Wow! Kanchaan!
Ako muna niya ako!
Uy! Iba yun! Ayo! Mga kalingap mo ba?
Wala kang sapato to?
Sawadika si Ron eh. Pagkakamalang ang tayo niyan. Sawadika. Guys, we will try this. What do you call this? Tangkulu. We will try Tangkulu. And she said this is the best one, so we will try it and we will buy it. How much is that? 50 baht. Is this enough? This enough? What are you getting dito?
This paper for each. You can eat the paper. Eat together.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Sa sausaw daw sa ano? Sa sauce.
Uy, grabe nila! Sawadika! Grabe, sawadikang maray! Sawadika, Nina! Grabe! Kapgun ka! Ito po mga kalingap, so dito po kami ngayon sa isang kainan sa Bangkok, Thailand. At discover po namin ang sikreto nila kung bakit maganda ang balat nila, bakit payat at sobrang pasiyahin. Ito po ang tinatawag natin jasmine juice. Kaya pala lasang flower po kanina.
Wala mong effect sa akin ha. Mahigop ako ng kanilang to ha. Konting higop lang.
Hello.
Tingnan nyo kung talagang ma-effect ha.
Uy! Ang bihira! Mag-side view ha. Kumingin lang! Blow and spin!
Rejuve ba yan?
Hindi pa rejuve ka ba?
Yeah. Jasmine tea lang guys.
Grabe! Ito ang sekreto nila guys. Oh. Pampapayat, ang pagganda ng balat.
Without sugar.
Without sugar. Tama. Grabe, maganda pala to.
Oh, trademark pose. Closer po, closer. Masama ang pakiramdam niya.
Grabe! Mga kalingap, medyo maganda po dito mga kalingap ang bigayan. Nangyayari po ay nagkakatawaran po mga kalingap sa presyo ng tuktok. Ating kalingap. 200 daw po mga kalingap ang isang tuktok. 200 daw, 5 kasya. Grabe mga kalingap. Ito po ang national na sasakyan nila dito. Grabe.
Jump car! Jump car!
Jump car! Jump car! Jump car! Jump car!
Ano nyo sa jump car?
Siyempre, supportive yung si Kapi.
Nakay na.
Where? 3? How many tok-tok? 3 tok-tok? Here, I want here. The sound is good. The sound is good.
I know ko. You want to see?
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Is it? No. 1, 2, 3. Rico.
How many people?
Here.
Two more. I don't like two more.
2 more is bad. 2 more is bad.
Two more is dangerous in your body. Dangerous, guys.
No one, 5 only. Too much tok-tok. Dapat si JP. Ano yun?
Pwede na siguro. Kulang tayo.
JP? Ay, wait. Sobra. Baka kasya pa. Wag, P. Ay, wag bro, Ron.
The driver. Switch. Pwede ba dito? Daka na lang.
Dito na bro. Ito pa daw, dalawa pa daw.
Hindi, 200. Meron, panta mo na yung driver. Okay guys.
Tok-tok pa more. You guys, we are riding a tok-tok ride. Wow! This is a tok-tok. Tok-tok. Wow! We are riding a tok-tok. We are riding a tok-tok. We are at the tok-tok.
I love tok-tok.
I love tok-tok. I love tok-tok. It make it tok-tok.
Tok-tok trip. Let's go.
Let's go.
Overpass.
The tok-tok is very good.
I can feel the strong tok-tok.
Yes.
The tok-tok is strong.
I love tok-tok. Oh, new color.
Yeah, a lot of color. A lot of color in tok-tok.
I love tok-tok. I love tok-tok in Thailand.
Tok-tok is good, guys. Will make you
Makes
happy.
you good.
Tok-tok. Tok-tok the best.
Tok-tok. Oh! A tok-tok, tok-tok at the back. Oh! The tok-tok at the back is very fast. It's approaching. It's approaching.
Tok-tok at the back. Look at them. Look at the tok-tok at the back.
Tok-tok at the back. Joker at the back. Riding a tok-tok.
Jumper at the front. Jumper at the front. Yeah, the first in the line.
Yes. Kuya Bal at the first.
Tok-tok.
Kuya Bal in the first. We in the second. Jumper at the third. Wow.
Oh my God.
Our English is very good.
My head. So fast. Tok-tok 3 points.
Tok-tok.
Tok-tok drift. Tok-tok drift.
Tok-tok trip. Tok-tok trip.
I think my head. Give me tok-tok.
I love tok-tok. You love tok-tok? I love tok-tok.
Diet have tok-tok also. Yes, no.
I feel the humps.
A good experience. Tok-tok.
Yes. We're enjoying the tok-tok.
The fresh air.
The pressure in tok-tok is very good.
Guys, ang air dito sa Thailand.
Hindi siya polluted.
Ano siya? Okay siya, no?
Oo, hindi siya polluted.
Siguro may air humidifier siya.
Kailangan natin malaman.
Hindi ka magkakaroon ng kulangot na ito. Matinong driver. Itok-tok mo, guys.
Itok-tok mo. Tok-tok mo. Itok-tok mo. Itok-tok mo. Kuya Bal and Tita Edna at the beginning.
Oy.
Yeah. They are riding at the front.
And we are at the back.
You're at the back. Oh, the tok-tok is very slow at the back.
What happened?
The tok-tok number 3 is slow.
We are arrival.
We are tok-tok number 2.
We are arrival at the beginning.
Uy, this is the beginning.
Oh, they stop. Ito na ba yun?
Dito sa kabila.
Tandaan mo, ang galing mo naman sa driver.
Yes.
Tok-tok kami.
Asan kaya yung ano?
Oh, amazing ride.
Amazing tok-tok. I love tok-tok. I love tok-tok.
I love tok-tok, guys.
From the beginning.
I wanna ride tok-tok going back to the Philippines.
I will buy tok-tok in the Philippines. I will take one tok-tok in the Philippines.
My pick is I will make the very first tok-tok.
This is the outside part of the tok-tok. It's very good. It's a many lights, guys. You can see the driver is positioned here and you can ride 5 to 6 people here. Very good experience in Thailand. I recommend this tuk-tuk.
Naka-mags yung tuk-tuk.
Uy, the tuk-tuk is using mags. Wow. I like it. I like it very well. I like it.
Bro? Ay, iba yata binayaran niya. Oh, no.
This is the tuk-tuk where Kuya Bal ride and Tita Edna. And this is the tuk-tuk where we ride. Thank you.
Thank you. Sabon ka.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
Sabon ka.
Kaptun Cap. Kaptun Cap.
Sabon ka. Sabon ka sa...
Ano sila? Oy, there's a lot of tuk-tuk. Oy, the tuk-tuk is there. Ay! Grabe! The tuk-tuk is good! Grabe guys! Iba ang tuk-tuk ng Jomcar dito. Iba ang tuk-tuk ng Jomcar.
Walang pasabi.
Grabe, grabe. What is your experience in tuk-tuk?
Grabe, nagipagkaroon sila kuya.
Grabe, the tuk-tuk is very good. I love tuk-tuk. You love tuk-tuk?
It's too slow.
Oh!
I need more faster.
More faster, more faster. Carla, how's your experience in tuk-tuk? Oh, grabe. Let's go here. It's very dangerous. Carla.
How is this experience?
Grabe. I will bring one tuk-tuk in the Philippines. Oy! Oy! May bulong agad.
Grabe guys, nakatakot.
Grabe bro.
Nakatakot yung drifting, parang mga baliktad.
Biro yun.